Good morning, what's up YouTube? So this morning we're looking at some stocks to buy now. Moving into the future, we're just gonna focus on 10 stocks that we are gonna evaluate. We're gonna pick the best 5 from the 10 to focus
Markets
on,
not looking like they'll make it for
and we're gonna pick the best 3
the
out of
S&P.
5 to
Distance of a
invest
fresh
in.
record high.
So as we say, let's get into it. So the first stock we're looking at is PLTR, Palantir. So as we can see, when we look at our 180 days 4-hour chart right here, you can see that Palantir came down into a support, which is one of my support that I've drawn in the past. We see that Palantir is trying to make a recovery, start making higher high and lower high, as you can see right here. Lower, higher low, higher low, higher low, continuing going up. So that's what we're looking for, and we're looking for a recovery in these stocks. As we can see, Palantir is trying to recover. It's above the 50-day moving average. What I'm looking for right now is for Palantir to consolidate within these prices before making a run to the upside. So this is a stock that I'm loading up on at the present moment. Stock I'm buying, as a matter of fact, adding to my shares on some of these stocks. As I told you before, I was nibbling on some of these stocks coming down, so waiting for a recovery now back to the upside, wishing I think that recovery is coming soon, but it's slow. So at the present moment, I have to be careful, and I want you guys to be careful too before jumping into these stocks, making sure that your price point is that you're getting into is a good price. Uh, I will look to get back into some more shares into Palantir when it comes back down to 1980 or under 1980, because when I bought Palantir down here and I add more shares down here, I take some profit at this price at 1983. At the break of 1983, I was looking for a rejection. I didn't get one to break through it, so I'm looking for a rejection this morning, coming back down, a pullback coming back to this price, which is 1883 or under, so I could enter back. I add back more shares of Palantir. So this is one stock I'm looking into investing in, and day trade as well in my day trade account. So that's Palantir. The next stock I want to talk about is ENSC. ENSC. So ENSC is a healthcare stock. As you can see, it touched the high of 1712 for the past couple of months. It's been falling down, falling down, falling down. Finally makes a bottom right here at 125, starting to make a recovery. It pulled back over the 50-day moving average. It's back over the 200-day moving average. As you can see in the past when the stock fall, it never went back above the 200-day moving average, which is right here. So this right here could give you should be a confirmation that the stock want to go back into a bullish trend, which is an uptrend going back to the upside. So this is a stock I'm currently trading, investing, loading up on this stock. Well, this stock ran yesterday after market, during the market, and after the market closed, it went up. It went up some more percentage. To be frank, this stock went up after the market closed yesterday from about 38%. After the market closes yesterday, it went up. So ENSC is a stock to load upon. It has great upside from where it's at the present moment to the higher day where it came from is 78.73%. So think about it. So yeah, that's my mistake. From the price where it's at right now to where it's coming from the high, it's 368%. So looking to see the stock makes a move in the future and do some great things. That's ENSC healthcare stock. Next healthcare stock I want you guys to look into is ISPC. This is the next healthcare stock. Let's look at this stock. This stock consolidated for months within this price, not doing anything, then starting to make moves on news. Starting to make move on news that it announced expansion on supplier network of human biospecimens to help advance research in the neurology disorder. So as we can see, this stock have a lot of potential back to the upside. As you can see, it ran up 28.98 and came back down to my excuse me, came back down to my support right here where it consolidated for a few days, and now it's starting to make some up moves in the market. So I'm looking to invest in this stock, loading up on this stock, going back to the upside. This is a healthcare stock also, ISPC. So we have Palantir, we have ENSC, and we have ISPC. The next stock that you can look into to load upon is BMBL. So it's BMBL, and you will see why I want to get this stock. This is a dating app, a dating site. This stock fall from 65.60 all the way down to $30.10. It's starting to recover. It's back over the 50-day moving average and heading back up to the 200-day moving average. Still being skeptical with this stock, as I haven't seen no great catalyst on it yet that's going to give me the move that I'm looking for. But this is a stock that I have on my watch list. Back to the upside. I'm currently investing in this stock right now. Not heavy, not too much, but I nibble on this stock going back to the upside and still adding my shares. I'm waiting for this stock to break 39.50, 39.40 to give me confirmation that it turned support into resistance and start breaking those levels going back to the upside. So thank you guys. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. I really apologize for the inconsistency on my videos. As I say, moving into the new year, it will get better. Just have a lot going on and a lot doing, a lot on my mind. So as I say, just bear with me. I want to throw you a ball today, December the 9th. If you guys want to, I do trade options and nibbling options here and there. You know, whenever I see opportunity in the market, I grab it and I try to play along with the market as the market goes. But the market right now is not evaluating these stocks as we suspected or it used to. So you just gotta be careful in the market and how you trade the market and how you invest your money. What I want to talk to you that the board I'm going to tell you right now this morning, I have NIO. NIO is a good stock, good buying. Good buying price was at 32.44. Great entry. I got in at 30. I think I got it right here at 31.18. I just take some profit at 35.37. Was looking to do an option call on this stock yesterday, but sometime in the stock market when you try to do what you do and you know you're not 100% confident in your trade, then this can be a problem. Yesterday I saw NIO. I wanted to get into NIO with the options going to the long side back to $35. I didn't get into it because I panicked and I wasn't focused too much on the stock. I was thinking too much. I have so much on my mind. I wasn't 100% into the market to get into this stock, and it was my fault not getting into it because, as you can see, Neo did well from 33. That it fell to when the market opened and ran right up to 35, over $35. So if I had jumped in that options yesterday, I would have been okay. So that's just my fault. It's just, as I say, if you trade in and you see opportunities in the market, don't pick and butt to get into it. Just try and be confident in your trade and your setups and enter the market. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Aggressive traders, Deshaun Campbell, we are here. Let's get into it. Enjoy the rest of your day.